Hello there and welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Nicole Ramos and today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe for a lemongrass coconut noodle soup. Here are the ingredients. 1 14-ounce can of coconut milk, 4 cups of water, 15 to 20 stalks of cilantro, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, cayenne pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons of lemongrass paste, 1 inch of ginger root, and 4 cloves of garlic. And this is probably the easiest soup you'll ever make, and possibly one of the most delicious. We're just gonna pour all of our ingredients into the blender. You know, the blender is possibly one of my favorite tools to use or utensils in the kitchen. We're not going to put all of that water in there, about 2 cups. You don't want to make a huge mess. Okay, put the cilantro. The reason why I just have you count the stalks is because it's sometimes kind of problematic to tell somebody, you know, half a cup of cilantro, you don't know whether to pack it in or that kind of thing. I'm not going to put the K in just yet. Okay, so I'm adding the paprika here. And this is for warmth. It's not going to add any spiciness or anything. I just find that it just tastes nice and warm. And then I'm going to add a tiny bit of cayenne pepper. And you can omit that if you would like. So you're just going to blend this baby up. Okay, and now that's ready, you're gonna end up with a greenish, creamy looking thing. And just as easy as that, your broth is almost there. And if you want it a bit greener, you can add a little bit more cilantro. I know it's not everyone's favorite, but you can't really taste the cilantro individually. It's just all mixed in so nicely. So what you're going to do with this is you're going to cover it and put it on medium heat for about 20 minutes. And there you have it. Your broth is absolutely ready. So come back once this is nice and bubbly and I'll show you where to go from there. Okay, now this has been boiling for the past 20 minutes. And you want it to be really nice and steamy, and you want to serve straight away. So prior to this, we'll put the lid back on, and you'll come here with me, and I'm going to show you my lovely setup. This isn't just for beauty, no. This is for taste. You will love it, okay? So we've got some spinach, and these are just my favorite add-ons, and you can add whatever you like. Carrots, bok choy, anything you like. But I like to keep the green theme going. So I've got some spinach, I've got some cauliflower, some bean vermicelli noodles, and they're just like rice noodles. And we've got some broccoli, some green beans, and some tofu. The broccoli, green beans, and cauliflower are all steamed prior. Not too much, you still want a little bit of a crunch. And you will put it in a bowl like this. I mean, you can put it any way you want. It doesn't have to be this beautiful, but you do eat with your eyes, so you might want to make it look beautiful if you're entertaining or serving a special someone. So you're just going to pour that nice, hot, steaming broth over your whole soup. A few ladlefuls there. And this is so good. Enough to warm you up on a cold day. Or even, I enjoy having this during summer because it's so light as well. So there you have it, your very own lemongrass, cilantro, ginger, garlic noodle soup. Hope you enjoy.